Hello D-Nation and welcome to the Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, for a change, we are going to be unboxing a couple of assorted 1/64th scale orange themed cars manufactured by Hot Wheels and to do a comparison with a couple of die-cast cars manufactured by a company called Teamsters Metal. And these are the 5 die-cast cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for today's episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels and Teamsters die-cast cars come in their respective signature cardbox blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these die-cast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these die-cast cars look amazing and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of die-cast and a few components with ABS plastic which make them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their amazing color scheme and branding details and have pre-rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, these are the 5 different orange themed die-cast cars that I grouped together for today's episode. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these die-cast cars. And let's begin with the Grass Chomper, which is from the Hot Wheels Ride-On series. While I love this funky looking die-cast model and it's quite sturdy and looks quite unique and awesome with its paint job, graphics and decals. And I love the blowout exhaust that makes this model stand out. Overall an eye-catcher and a stunner. Next up, we have the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600, which is from the Bajaj Blazer series. And as you can see, this is a beautiful rally variant of this model with some stunning and signature theme graphics and decals that go with the rally theme. An absolute stunner and overall an awesome die-cast variant. And what we're looking at now is the TM108 from the Teamsters Metal collection. And this is a hatchback die-cast replica that stands out with its custom neon orange paint job, and I just threw these cars in the mix so we could take a look at them, especially side by side with the Hot Wheels cars, and see the difference for ourselves. But overall, I'm glad that I've got these cars and threw them in the mix, and glad to add these variants to my collection, because at the end of the day, the quality, the build, and the paint on these die-cast cars are quite decent, and overall, this is an amazing die-cast car. Next up is the TM19A, which is also from the Teamsters Metal collection. And off the bat, I love this sleek and classy truck with its glossy orange paint job and amazing graphics and decals, which makes this replica stand out from the rest. A real elegant and amazing die-cast replica truck. And finally, we have the TM22A, which is also from the Teamsters Metal collection. But this one is a unique variant of a fantasy car model with its stunning bright orange and black graphics, and I'm glad I had this variant to throw into this orange car episode. But overall, I really love the massive bodywork and the custom paint and decals on this one. A unique and an amazing replica indeed. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels cars and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheels episode along with a mix of a few cars from Teamsters Metal. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in this Hot Wheels series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these amazing diecast replicas, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast beauties in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast cars on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of die-cast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make their scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collector nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now being made available, and every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a special edition collector series as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as tail lights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these die-cast cars that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below whether you like the Hot Wheels cars or the Teamster metal cars. And also as to which one of these die-cast cars are your favorite. And I would like to thank all my D-Nation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels die-cast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.